Shifting our focus now to the Parliament, the second week of Parliament's monsoon session has begun on a chaotic note. The opposition raised slogans as they protested over the alleged police crackdown on students protesting over the NEET paper leak. The disruptions began as soon as the proceedings commenced, leading to the presiding officers adjourning both the houses. In fact, both the Rajya Sabha and the Lok Sabha faced multiple adjournments today. Despite this, Union Minister Jitendra Singh introduced the paper leak amendment bill in the lower house. The Lok Sabha now stands adjourned for the day, marking the 7th consecutive day of the monsoon session to be washed out.
Prevention of unfair fees, Bill 2024. Thank you, Speaker, sir.
Under the amended bill, paper leak and related offences will attract 5 to 10 years in jail and 50 lakhs to 1 crore rupee fine. A special task force will conduct the investigation, which shall be completed within 2 months. The cases will be heard by a special fast-track court, which will be established in every state and union territory. Any challenge to the verdict of the special court shall be filed within 90 days. Now remember, this move comes amid nationwide protests and the recent resignation of the Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan. Congress MP Priyanka Gandhi Vadra questioned the purpose of the new bill as she alleged that students are still being targeted with FIRs.
ये मैंने सुना है कि अभी भी एफआईआर फाइल कर रहे हैं बिहार में, बंगाल में स्टूडेंट्स के खिलाफ। ये मैंने सुना है, वेरीफाइड नहीं है अभी। तो मतलब फिर फायदा क्या हुआ?
Before entering the parliament, opposition MPs including Priyanka Gandhi Vadra protested in the parliament premises, demanding accountability for the police crackdown on the protesting students and an apology from the Prime Minister. The proposed changes come after the alleged NEET undergraduate paper leak this year, which triggered weeks of student protests across the country. Meanwhile, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has announced a high-level task force to overhaul the examination system under the National Testing Agency. The panel will be led by Infosys co-founder Nandan Nilekani. Its mandate is to strengthen the security, transparency and credibility of the examination process.
फ्रेंड्स, विद्यार्थियों के भविष्य के लिए भारत सरकार लगातार अनेकविध कदम उठा रही है। जिन लोगों ने विद्यार्थियों के भविष्य के साथ खिलवाड़ किया, वे जेलों में सड़ रहे हैं। लेकिन हमें भविष्य के लिए सोचना है। हमारी परीक्षा पद्धति विश्वस्त हो, हमारी परीक्षा पद्धति ट्रांसपेरेंट हो, हमारी परीक्षा पद्धति में सबसे ज्यादा टेक्नोलॉजी का उपयोग हो।
Now remember, Nandan Nilekani has earlier spearheaded some of India's biggest digital transformation initiatives, including the Aadhaar. The other members of this panel would be former ISRO chairperson S. Somnath, former IB director Tapan Deka, IIT Madras director V. Kamakoti, former education secretary Anita Karwal, and logistics expert Amrit Lal Meena. The task force will submit its recommendations to the government, which will frame the next set of reforms to protect the integrity of India's public examinations.